Welcome to this Android channel, and yes, I've not posted in quite a while on this channel, but things are about to change, and we're going to have another video in a few moments talking about the changes coming up. So this is the big news for today, which is August 22nd, 2019. And it's the fact that Android's naming system is going to change, and Android logos also, as you see here. The next version of Android, that was Android Q. Of course, if anybody wanted to have a naming system, well, they were using, of course, the letters, and we're trying to find the different ways of naming it with a sugary treat of some sort. So of course Android 9, which is the version that a lot of phones are using right now, and the latest official version right now was of course Android P when it was tested, and it became Android Pie. Android 8, which was O, was of course Android Oreo. Android 7, which was with the letter N, was Nougat, and so on. And basically, this made the naming system, of course, always using some kind of sugary treat of some sort. Well, now this naming system is going away, and not just that one. There won't be any lettering in the next version. So right now, Android Q is going to be officially called Android 10, and that's it. No other names with it, no deserts of any kind. So this is going to be the next version, Android 10. Of course, Android Pie is Android 9, so the naming system was mostly added to the numbers already. So Android 10 is what we will have, and also the future, there won't be any letters anymore. So as we were going, to the letter Q, then it would be the letter R. Well, there won't be Android R. They're not going to name it like that for the future. So there's not going to be a lettering system anymore, even after when they start, working on the next version of Android 11, if you want. So that is a big change. These are also the new branding and logos that they are going to use. So that means that now we are going into a different direction in Android naming systems and what they are all alike. So this is kind of interesting. And for those wondering when this is coming out, well, it's expected to come out before the end of this month. So officially there would be a release before the end of August of Android 10. And of course the first devices that will have Android 10 won't come out right away for a lot of them, except for Android's own phones. But we also know that some manufacturers like the Nokia 9 PureView, Nokia 8.1, Nokia 7.1 will be compatible with Android 10, and a lot of course of phones that right now are going to are on 9 will of course be eventually be on 10, including Samsung's Galaxy phones, S9, S9 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, and Note. So that's the news for Android today, Thursday, August 22nd, 2019. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.